Say we want to multiply with lines. If you've learned in school, the typical approach to actually multiply two numbers is just, let's pick 2 by 2. We know that that equals 4. But we've never tried to visualize that. Well, I guess the Japanese way is to actually use lines to multiply two numbers. So let's pick for the first two, we're going to draw two lines, 1, 2, and then for the second two, we're going to draw another two lines, 1 and 2. And then it looks like the focus is on the points of intersection that would actually give us the result. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's our actual result. Now let's look at a different example. I think on more difficult examples, we might think that's not as easy, but you'll be surprised as on how easy it is. Let's multiply 21 by 15, and let's multiply this using the typical approach, the approach that we normally learn in school. So let's multiply, I'm going to here 21 by 15. So it'll be 5 by 1 will be 5, 5 by 2 will equal 10, 1 by 1 will equal 1, 1 by 2 will equal 2. So I'll have 5 and then 1, 1 plus 0 equals 1, 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the result that we expect by using lines will be 315. Now let's use the lines and see how that works. So let's start with our 2 here. So it'll be 2, that means that we're going to draw two lines, 1, 2. And then for 1, we're going to do one line. And then we'll go ahead to second number, 1, so we'll have one line. And then for number 5, we're going to draw two lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we always start from left to right, so we're going to start with left here. And again, the point of using lines is to identify the points of intersection. So it'll be 1, 2. So we'll write this down, 2, and then we'll go back to the right. So we'll identify 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And then what's left, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We write this down. The main role on using lines is to not have two numbers in between the first and last number. The way to simplify this is to remove the first number here, but we always do that by adding that to the left number. So again, we identify the first number, we add that to the left number, and we transform the two numbers into one only. That means that 2 plus 1 equals 3, and then we remove those two. Okay? So then we're going to identify what's left. Quite easy, you can already tell that the resulting product is 3, 1, there was a 1 here, and then 5, right? Can you see 5 goes here, 1 goes here, and then 3 goes here. So that means that our result is 315. See how easy it is? And then let's pick a more difficult example. Let's pick, let's pick 123, 1, 2, 3, by 322. We're going to use the lines first, and then we're going to check with the normal typical approach that we learn in school. Okay, so again, for number 1, we're going to draw one line. So it'll be 1. Number 2, right here, we're going to do 2 lines. And then number 3, we're going to draw 3 lines, 1, 2, and 3. And then we'll go ahead to the second number, 3. So we'll have 1, 2, and 3. And then we'll have another 2 lines, 1 and 2. And then for the last one, we'll have another 2 lines, 1 and 2. Again, we'll start from the left. So that means that we'll identify 3 intersection points, 1, 2, and 3. We write this down. And then we'll go back to the right. So we'll identify those ones. So that means that we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We write this down, 6. And then we'll go back to the left. So we're going to identify those ones. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We write this down. And then we go back to the right. So we're going to identify those ones, right? So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, we have 2 numbers, so we're going to see that we'll have to simplify this to 1. And then we're going to count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We write this down. Again, we have 2 numbers, so that would be our first point of focus. We'll start with 15. So again, we'll have 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9. We remove the 8 and we remove the 1. And then we'll have 1. We have a 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. We remove the 5, we remove the 1, right? And then we're going to identify what's left. So we have number 3. And then we'll have a 9. We'll have a 6. We'll have a 0. We'll have a 6. That means that our ending product is 3, 9, 6, 0, 6. Now let's try the normal approach. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 2. Okay. 2 by 3, 6. 2 by 2, 4. 2 by 1, 2. 2 by 3, 6. 2 by 2, 4. 2 by 1, 2. 3 by 3, 9. 3 by 2, 6. 3 by 1, 3. Okay? I have 6. 4 by 4 plus 6, 10. We write 0 down, we keep 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 9, 16. We keep 1, we write 6. And then 2 plus 1, 3, plus 6, 9, 3. Can you see that? So we'll have 39606. 39606. That's a wonderful approach to take. Good luck.